Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to manage multiple credit draws in Bluevine. Bluevine allows you to take multiple draws from your credit line, each with its own repayment schedules. Managing them properly ensures that you stay on top of payments. And here's how to do that. The first step is to log into your Bluevine dashboard online or in the mobile app. Then once you're in, go to credit line section. And under the active draws, you're going to see a list of all of your draws that you've taken, along with its balance and due dates. Click on each draw to view its repayment schedule, including principal and interest amounts. Make payments to a specific draws, either the minimum due or the full balance. Bluevine applies payment directly to the chosen draw. You can track your progress by checking which draws are fully paid, as well as which are still active. Consider paying off smaller draws early to free up available credit faster. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.